Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to fix your Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. First thing that you should do is you have to open your Facebook application and log in to your Facebook account. Then right here, you just have to click on the three horizontal lines at the top right hand corner of your screen, and then just click on the gear icon or the settings, and then you'd be able to see this page. Now what you're going to do next is scroll down until you can see this option where it says browser. So just click on it and then make sure to clear your browsing data. So just click on clear, and then the next thing that you should do after clearing your data is to go back here. Then just have to click on the report a problem option. Okay, so when you click on it, and then make sure to select continue to report a problem. So this one, and then you'd be redirected to this page where you can type out your concern. So make sure to select include. Then right here, you just have to scroll down until you can see the option where it says marketplace. So you just have to select your product. Right here, you just have to describe the issue. So just click on this box, this one at the top, and then briefly discuss or describe your problem. So for example, marketplace is not working in my account. Please help me to make it available. And then just click on send. Then after that, you just have to wait for 24 to 48 hours. And then just wait for the Facebook Help Center to reach out to you. Now just go back to your settings, and then right here, you just have to scroll down and make sure to click on the navigation bar and then click on the customize the bar. Okay, then right here, just click on this option beside the marketplace. Just click on this one and then select auto, and then make sure to select it. And then after that, just have to save it and then try to close your Facebook and log into your account once again. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.